There she is.
I see her.
Huh?
I see her.
You want to see her? See, she brings it over and drops it.
I see it.
Bring it over, Cleo. Bring it over, Cleo.
We in the house.
She's at my house, yeah.
I go Hawaii.
Huh?
I get Hawaii, baby.
Come on, Cleo.
Bell.
Why are you taking that off? Don't take it off. Be careful, she'll scratch you. Did she scratch you?
No.
She's playing. You gotta be careful, okay? She's a good girl. She is. That's Cleo. Look at, she's waiting for you to play. Did you sleep good? Yeah? Good. You were tired, huh? Cleo. Hey, sweetie.
Too tired.
Too tired? Is there Troy over there?
No.
It's gotta be. I can see her. She's trying to get at it.
My mango's voice. Oh. No. Right? Break my mind.
Ready, Cleo? Ready? Watch.
Auntie.
She's got it.
Auntie.
What?
Nightmare mango things break my mind on funness.
Don't turn the camera on. Sit. She's got it. All right, what do you want?
Nightmare mango's voice. No.
Pick the purple thing. Yeah, it's in there. See? Tell her to get ready. Say, get ready.
Set, go!
Okay, she's ready. Good job. It's a good throw.
Set, go!
Okay, she's ready. Good job. It's a good throw.